Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your ICT teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, Basics of Spreadsheet. And the topics that we'll discuss today are move or copy and drag and drop. So let's get started. First we'll discuss about what is difference between move or copy. Move means if you want to remove the actual value from the source cell and move that value or paste that value to the destination cell, and the value from the source cell will be removed. That is known as moving. Copying means if you don't want to remove the value from source cell, but you want to paste the and or copy the same value to the destination cell. The shortcut key from the keyboard to move is Control X, and to paste is Control V, and to copy, that is Control C and Control V after that. That means Control V. Control V is for pasting that one. So the shortcut key for pasting is Control V, and if you want to move, then you have to press Control X. If you want to copy, then you have to press Control C. So let's get start with an example. For example, I want to move this value to this cell. So I will press Control X and here Control V. This one is known as moving of data. That means the value from this cell is removed and copy here. And then if you want to copy the value, then Control C from the keyboard and Control V. Now you can see that the value is available here, and move to this cell also, copy to this cell also. That is known as moving and copying. Next we'll discuss how to move or copy entire cell by using mouse. You can also move or copy by using mouse. So if you want to do that using mouse, then you have to select the cell, then point to the border, and the cursor will be converted to this 4 arrow shape, and you have to drag the mouse pointer to another location. That is for moving. For example, I'll select, I want to move this value to here, then select this one, then move your pointer to this location. When the arrows are converted to black pointers, then drag it. Okay, let me do it again. Then drag it and release the mouse button. So this one is known as moving using mouse. So if you want to perform copying operation, then you have to press Control key from keyboard and do the same. So select the cell, press Control key from keyboard, then when the mouse pointer will be converted to this small plus symbol, then drag it. Now you can see the value is copied here and also available in the source location also. So that's all about how to move or copy using mouse pointer. We'll discuss about how to insert moved or copied cell between existing cells. So for example, if you want to copy and paste a cell value in between the specified rows or existing columns, that is known as insertion. So you can do this by using insert cut cells, insert copied cell using this option. So let's get started. For example, I want to copy this row. Select the row that you want to copy and then right click and copy. I want to copy this row in between 4 and 5 in this location. So I'll select fifth row, then right click, insert copied cell. Then you can see the same row has been inserted in between 4. Next we'll discuss about to prevent copied blank cells from replacing data. So that means if you are copying a range of multiple cells and there is some cell or set of some cells, those are not having values, that means they are blank cells. Then if you want to skip those cells when you will paste that cell to destination, then you can also perform using a special option available in paste special, that is skip blanks. So let's get started. For example, let's suppose we are having these four cells. In first cell we are having values, and next two cells are blank, and in next cell we are having a value also. So if I will copy, by default if I will copy, right click, then copy, and let's suppose I'm going to paste here, then in general if I will paste the value, it will always copy each and everything in between the selected range. But I want to skip these two cells while pasting. So if you want to do that, then it is already copied, then right click, then paste special, then here we are having option paste special, then a dialog will be opened. You have to choose this option, that is skip blanks. So you have to check this one and press OK. Now you can see while pasting the contents of this source selected area, the system skipped these two cells while pasting. So in here, that is the difference between normal pasting and skip blanks pasting. So that is all about the current topic. Next topic we are having, that is copy cell values, cell formats or formulas only. So for example, in MS Excel, when you are performing copy operation, then when you will copy the contents of a selected cell, single or multiple cells, then the format of that cell will be copied to the destination also. So if you don't want to copy the format or formulas to the destination, you only want to copy the values only, then you can choose this the options available in paste while pasting the data. So let's get started. For example, I have you have to change some format of this cell value. Next we'll discuss about drag and drop. Drag and drop means if you want to move the mouse pointer by pressing the mouse button, that is known as dragging. And when you will drop means when you will release the mouse button after dragging, that is known as dropping something. So we already discussed the same topic for use of dragging and dropping for moving or copying the cell in the previous slides also. If you want to move some cell value to another location, then you can drag it. You have to select that value and drag. When your mouse pointer will converted this to 4-pointer shape, then you can drag that value to another one. So that is for dragging. That is also known as dragging for moving the cell value. If you want to copy the cell value only by dragging, then you have to select the cell value, then mouse pointer will be converted to this area and this shape, and then press Control key from the keyboard, and that is known as copying by dragging the mouse pointer. So that's all about how we can copy or move by using drag and drop concept also. So that's all about today's session. So if you people are having any kind of doubt, then contact me any